Hello, sellers, welcome to Ecom Booster. Today we are going to discuss about our upcoming video series on Amazon selling, Flipkart and Meesho. In the upcoming series, we are going to cover documents needed for starting selling on e-commerce for new sellers,
and how to optimize listing timely, how to make visible to your products on top pages, how to calculate net profit in online selling, right investment in marketing and advertisement, how to avoid mistakes in online business, and many more things we are going to cover in our basics series. But for the sellers who are in online selling from a long time and not have a satisfaction in sale, we launch our Advanced and Pro level series, in which we covers all hidden tricks and tips of e-commerce, so that our sellers can achieve their selling goal and make much profit in online selling.
but due to some security reason we can't upload videos directly on YouTube of our Pro and Advanced level course, so till we make an encrypted way to reach you, stay tuned to Ecom Booster, subscribe us, and for any assistance.